This video is about main engine piston inspection. So today we have to carry out general inspection of the main engine, the main engine piston ring condition, the piston crown condition, the cylinder liner condition, the carbon deposit inside or under the piston, the air receiver, the piston ring movement, and to check one by one for any abnormalities of the piston ring. So this is the main entrance of our main engine scavenging manifold air receiver. So we have to carry out general inspection inside. And this is cylinder number 1. So after checking the piston crown, the top of the piston crown, we have to remove all carbon deposit. We have to scrape off all carbon deposit on the top of the piston crown. Then after checking the cylinder liner, and we have to check the piston ring. Then you have to clean the surface of the piston ring for the check of the condition. So after cleaning the surface of the piston ring, so we can now check for any micro crack, micro scissure, or any scratches and sharp edges. This is for cylinder number 2. So we have to check also the same thing for cylinder number 1, the condition of the piston ring, and you have to clean thoroughly that you can check properly the piston ring, the any scratches, carbon deposit of the piston ring group. So after cleaning, you have to check one by one the piston ring, and also the movement of the piston ring you can use by pushing up using the wooden stick, that you can check the movement of the piston ring one by one. And this is cylinder number 3. So already complete the scraping off the top portion of the piston crown for any carbon deposit. So now we can check the piston ring of the cylinder number 3. We have to check the piston ring both side, after side and forward side, and also the exhaust side and the fuel pump side. So you can check by your hands on the after side and forward side, and then also the cylinder liner. You have to check the condition that the machining mark are still visible without any scratches or overheating. After cleaning the piston ring surface, we have to check the condition of the piston ring. Any micro crack, micro scissure, or any carbon deposit inside the piston groove. And we have to check the movement of the piston ring by wooden stick. This is for the cylinder number 4. So we have to check the piston crown condition, piston ring condition, and the cylinder liner condition. So both side also we have to check on the after side, the forward side, the exhaust side, and the fuel pump side, and check on top of the piston crown, and if too much carbon deposit, we have to scrape off and remove all carbon deposit on top of the piston crown. So check for any crack on top of the piston crown. And also we have to record the measurement of the piston ring gap. If you have any piston ring axis for the ring gap. This type of main engine is fitted only with 3 piston ring. And now we have to check one by one the condition of the piston ring. We have to thoroughly clean the surface of the piston ring. Then you can check one by one for any abnormalities. After cleaning the piston ring surface, we can now check one by one for any abnormalities of the piston ring. And this is for the cylinder number 5. We have to check all the condition of the 3 piston ring. Checking the piston ring that no sign of peeling off of coating, local hard contact, micro scissure, and the scratches of the piston ring. And this is for the last cylinder, cylinder number 6. So we have to check the condition of the piston ring, the cylinder liner, and the piston crown. So thank you very much guys for your watching.